Nanababo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, another unique product na gusto po namin ipakilala sa inyo. So this is the fried halo-halo of the Groshery. Previously, na-feature na natin si the Groshery doon sa mga sushi pants nila. Grabe, sobrang nag-enjoy kami doon. And right now, they have a product na gusto ring i-introduce sa atin, guys. So again, this is the original fried halo-halo. This is the first and original dito po sa Pampanga. Actually, na-feature po sila sa mga ibang TV shows. So yun, congratulations to the Groshery for coming up with this very unique and original product po na talagang tatak na sa atin Kapampangan. Okay, so typically yung halo-halo, guys, has yellow. Yun yung pinaka base ng ano natin, halo-halo. But now it's fried. However, itong parang mga lumpia na pagkain na nasa plate natin has halo-halo ingredients inside it. So what are those, guys? Meron tayong nata de coco, white beans, ube halaya, Macapuno strips, and saging na saba. Additionally, you can add vanilla ice cream on top of it or any ice cream you want, no? Para mas creamy and at the same time mag-add siya ng flavor. But in itself actually is very delicious na, kumbaga. For example, you have a vanilla, you can dip it, kumbaga dinidip mo, kinakain mo, or you can put it on top. And this is how it looks like. Ayan. Ayan. So let's taste it, guys. Whoa. Oh wow. This is very unique. Napaka-genius po nang nakaisip nito. And I would like to commend them for coming up with this very unique food. You know what? Para sa akin, guys, mas masarap nga siya na may vanilla. But then again, it's up to your preference, no? Yung mga packages natin are available sa mga ready to fry at saka ready to eat. If you want to have the ready to eat, have the order in advance po. Now, these one are available readily naman and you can fry it by yourself. Available servings natin, meron siyang 9 pieces at saka 3 pieces na packaging. So, more of this, guys. Yaman na talaga. Now, let me have another one, please. Let me have another one. This is a different way to enjoy the ingredients and the flavors of halo-halo. This is the original and unique, the first in Pampanga to have a fried halo-halo. So there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends. Make sure to order from the Groshery. So sila po ang may pakanan nito kung bakit mayroong fried halo-halo dito sa Pampanga. Thank you for watching Where in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out, guys. Bye!